When was the last time that you said, I want to join the military? I'm just so excited. I want to go to war. I want to get in the combat zone, etc., etc. That's not really happening now, is it? For most of us, joining the military is not even one of the things that we want to consider. For some of us, it's an honorable thing. But in order to get people to join, a lot of times, the military has to offer bonuses. And what do young folks who have just gotten a chunk of money tend to do with such bonuses? They want to spend it, buy a car, maybe something else that's a little bit more high-end, who knows? But there are plenty of people out there, scammers in particular, who are just waiting to relieve you of your bonus. So let's not let that happen, especially if you're deployed military. You need strategic help, and we are here to provide it through the Financial Management for Deployed Military Workshop. We'll work with you to make sure you're educated and can protect yourself from such scammers. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.